Good morning, class 3. Welcome to the third part of Word Processor MS Word 2010. Let's recapitulate first what we have read in our previous class. We read about the components of word processor window in detail, that is the ribbon, then title bar, status bar, document area, ruler, backstage view. And then we read the most important thing, that is word files are called the documents. Then we saw some steps to create, save and open word document. Today is your very important class, means you are going to read about the editing and existing file of a word. Okay, you need to put your attention very cautiously. You are going to read a very important topic today. First of all, we are going to learn about insert a text. Insert a text means adding a text in an existing file. Okay, so let's see how it works. Now kids, we will learn practically how to insert a text. First of all, you are able to see a Microsoft Word window on your screen. Okay, now to insert a text, first of all you need to move your mouse to the location where you want text to appear in the document. Okay, suppose I want to insert something here. Okay, now see, and clicked here. Now the insertion point. What is insertion point? That is the blinking vertical bar on the document area is called the insertion point. So I move the insertion point here, and I want to type anything. For example, A, B, C, E, F, G, H, anything. Okay, so like this way the text is appeared in our choice area where we want to insert text. Now the most important topic for your upcoming exam is how to delete a text in Word document. Kids, deleting a text have two ways in the Microsoft Office Word. In this slide, you are able to see a diagram. First of all, in the first box, it is written that delete text. Then delete text is divided into two parts. First, it is written to the left of insertion point. Means if you want to delete a text that is to the left side of the insertion point, you need to press the backspace key. And if you are going to delete a text to the right side of the insertion point, you need to press the delete key. Kids, I suggest to write it down this table or diagram onto your computer fair copy, because this is very important for your exam. Okay, now let's see how this two works. Kids, be focused and attentive for understanding the deleting text. Okay, now see how I delete a text to the left side of the insertion point. See, this is the blinking insertion point. I will press this backspace button to delete the text to the left side of the insertion point. See, I am going to press this. See, by pressing the backspace button of the keyboard, the left side of the insertion point gets deleted. Now the right side of the insertion point, I already told you, you need to press the delete button of this. See, this one is the delete button of the keyboard. When you are required to delete a text that is right side, means the insertion point, it is the right side, this side, right side of the insertion point, you need to press the delete button. See, I am pressing it. You are able to see that the text in the right side of the insertion point are get deleted when we press the delete button. Now kids, we will learn how to copy and paste a text in MS Word. Kids, copy means making a duplicate of a text, and pasting means pasting a text where you want to place it. Okay, now let's see how to do it practically. Now kids, let's see how to do copy and paste text. First of all, suppose I want to copy this. How to insert text means this text. Okay, I have selected this text. Then to copy here in this place, this is the copy option. Click on it. Now suppose I want to paste this text here where I am moving my cursor. Okay, for pasting it I need again to click here on this paste option. See how copy and paste works. First of all, you need to select the text. Okay, then click on this copy option. Then put your insertion point where you want to copy the text, and again click on this paste option. Now next topic is cut and paste text. Kids, you will ask, ma'am, what is cut and paste text? Cut and paste text means removing an existing text from one place of the document area and pasting it to the another place of the document area. Okay, now let's see practically how to cut and paste a text. To cut and paste, you need the home tab again. First of all, just select a text what you want to cut. Here, suppose I am selecting this, how to insert text. Okay, I have selected this text. Next, again you are in the home tab, you are able to see the cut option, this one, this scissor like icon. Click on it. Okay, now if I want to paste the text here, then again go click on this paste option of the home tab. See. Okay, see how the cut and paste works. First of all, you need to select the text, then click on the cut option in the home tab, means the scissor like icon, then put your insertion point in the place where you want to paste, then click on the paste button in the home tab. Okay kids, your chapter 3, that is word processor MS Word 2010 is over now. I will share you all the exercise question answers, fill up true false and with the extra questions also. This is very important for your upcoming exam. Please pay attention and write it down to your computer, fair copy, and in case of any doubt, text me in my WhatsApp number. Bye and take care.